Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I'm Shazib Baskambar. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to accessing the parameters of UAV and rapidly updating them. I have created a form that I'm going to show you. We are going to creating its replica. As you can see in previous video, we created two forms. We completed a form by reviewing other form. I'm just going to initiate the Ardupilot in Linux. I just created a form and add some elements that we are going to replica today. As you can see, first we work on the UAV receiving the data, yes or no. And after that, we work on the group box. Then we work on the UAV parameters with label and my label. Then text box. And after that, quick view. So let's get started. As you can see, when I connected the Autopilot with Mission Planner and our created form has started showing the values that saving by a UAV. So we are going to demonstrate and replica of this form in our newly created form. The first task is that we are going to add the two label. One label will be renamed as UAV data receiving and second label will display us the value that the UAV is connected or not. If our vehicle is attached with the mission planner, then it will show yes, otherwise it show no. It is very important to know that the UAV has successfully connected or not, our form is working or not. After adding both labels, we are going to add a timer. It's like a clock and it is basically a replacement of a loop. If we set a loop, it will be take some memory and processing power, but the timer doesn't need that, and it's execute the code in the milliseconds. After dragging the timer, I'm going to enable it. It is very necessary. After that, I'm going to set its interval 1. After setting these properties, I'm going to double click on the timer. It will create a function of timer and it will execute the return tasks in millisecond each time, and we doesn't need a loop. First of all, we are going to check that the communication port is open or not. If is it open, then we are going to display yes. If it is not open, then we are going to display no. If port is working, then it sends the data from UAV to our mission planner. Otherwise, it means that there is a communication problem and data is not receiving. I just set a if condition main v2 dot comport dot base stream dot is open. It is a function by my mission planner. If it is true, then we are going to display yes, else it shows no. And our label will replace with yes or no in our form. After writing, I'm going to compile the mission planner and going to check that our first task is performed. I'm going to connect mission planner and after going to open our form using control M, and I also that I form that created before for this demonstration I set the keys Alt M. After that we are going to compare both forms. Is we are on right track? Yes. As you can see, I'm going to connect and disconnect the mission planner, and we have successfully developed our first task and we got the success. After that I'm going to create a group box that will indicate that the specific number of buttons inside on labels on text that are part of a separate panel in our form. It is very good practice to show your different panels in group box, so it is distinguish other panels from each other. I am just giving the label to group box UAV message area. After that I am going to use label and my label and two other labels for showing the parameters of UAV. As you know, the label from the Windows properties containing label and other from the mission planner properties containing label. After that I'm going to put two text boxes and then two quick views. I'm going to demonstrate you two different parameters we are going to access from the mission planner and show them in our label, also in text box, and after that the in the quick views. The quick view are specially designed by mission planner, so it contains a very digital and detailed dial system type. It visualizes the data in very good format. I selected yaw parameter for this demonstration. I'm going to pass yaw value to label 6. For accessing the value of yaw, I'm going to call mainv2.comport because I'm going to access this variable by comport. After that mavalink, then the current status, you can say that cs and then yaw. After that I'm going to present it in the label. So label need string values to represent. That's why I write dot to string and function close and statement terminator. I'm going to run the compilation of mission planner. I gave value of acceleration strength to my label. After we are going to compile this mission planner and going to connect and going to check both forms. Both forms are receiving the values are same. If we got the values, it means we got the success. As you can see, the both forms receiving value, but the runtime form we are creating are receiving a different value because we set my label to different parameter, so that's why we are receiving a different value. So it is a success. We are going to move further and going to display the parameter in text boxes. It will remain same syntax for the both text boxes, and after that we are going to add quick view. We are going to add quick views which are showing enhanced information and it built by mission planner. I'm going to write the same parameters for demonstration. for the text boxes. After creating that, going to compile the mission planner and verify our work. Connecting mission planner. After going to open the forms using shortcut keys we said before. Now you can see that the both form are receiving values. It means we are on right track. Now it is time to add quick views. Just write in toolbar quick view and drag them. After that we are going to in the coding file and we write the code for displaying the UAV parameters in quick views. Quick view shows two values. First is the description. Second can be a numeric, round string, round or text. First I am going to access the parameter. We write the name of parameter we are going to show in the description of our quick view. I access it by dot get name and unit from the Maven. After that I am going to add the name of yaw between the two quotations, and after going to apply a statement terminator. Our description for the quick view has been done. Now I am going to display the value of yaw. I just access the member of quick view of number, so that's why I just not write the dot to string, so it is also a numeric value, so we doesn't need to it convert in it around pass into int. Now for the checking, going to compile the mission planner, connecting and opening the both forms. Now as you can see, we open the both form and we successfully receiving the values. So I'm going to program the quick view 2 for the accelerate strength. So I'm going to disconnect it and going to again the timers function to add the code of quick view 2. For testing purposes, the quick view 2 has successfully done. Run not, I'm going to connect the mission planner with Ardupilot, and we see that the our form getting the parameters or not. Time to reality check. I'm going to press Ctrl M now. As you can see, the quick view 2 has receiving successfully values. Now thank you very much for the watching this video.